Welcome everyone, and in this video we are going to look at how we can secure our WordPress website using two-factor authentication. So using two-factor authentication, we can add extra layer of a security to our WordPress website in addition to the password, because password can be broken through a brute force attack. So in my dashboard, I will first go to the plugins and click on add new, and here search for 2FA. Install this plugin WP2FA and activate this. Click on Let's Get Started. Now you can verify your login using two methods. First, by installing an authentication app on your iPhone or Android, or you can send a one-time code to your email. So we will use app authentication method and click Next. Now we need to install any of these authentication app on our Android or iPhone and scan this QR code. Now from my Android Play Store, I will search for a Google Authenticator and install it. You can also find it on your iPhone App Store as well. Let's open it. Click on Get Started and then click on Scan a QR code. Allow. Now our screen turned black because Google Authenticator does not allow recording, but right after you scan QR code, you will find an authentication code that you will need to enter each time you log in after the password. And this code will keep updating itself after each and every 10 to 15 seconds. Okay, so after the successful scan from authentication app, click on I'm ready and here enter the code from your app. Click finish. Okay, so our setup is complete. Let's test this using a different browser. Let's enter our username and password. And here it is asking for authentication code. Okay, so I will enter the code from the app. And click authenticate. Okay, so we are successfully logged in and we can change the further configurations and settings by going to the settings and two-factor authentication. And here you can enforce other users and roles on this website to also set up a two-factor authentication, because right now it is only set up on this admin account, and you can also set up the grace period for these users. That means if they haven't set up the two-factor authentication in this period, their account will be locked and only you as an admin will be able to unlock their account. Okay, so that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button. See you in the next one.